line of storms now capable of producing a thunderstorm that may have a tornado. Locations of the warning include Bethany, Central Oklahoma City, Nichols Hills, and the Village and War Acres. And I'll tell you right now that the shear on this is not, just doesn't jump out and bite you on the nose. It's kind of embedded in there. In any event, if you live in the Oklahoma City metro area right now, even if we don't have a tornado warning, we still have a storm that's capable of producing some very gusty winds, and it could be this area here, just down around the Airport Road, Lillard Park area.
Tornado warning!